My hair is so straight that it's always flat and lifeless.
Thin, frizzy, dry hair.
It being dry, just a lot of frizz.
It gets like really thin and terrible.
I have thick, long, dry hair.
It doesn't hold a curl. It's very drying.
I was highly skeptical because I've never used bar shampoo or conditioner before.
I expected it to be a little awkward.
I was expecting to not be able to get a brush through it.
I had never used a bar on my hair before.
I'm used to a whole bunch of lather, and a lot of the bar soap, you don't get that.
I thought that using the bar of soap would have been hard, but it wasn't. The shampoo suds really good.
It lathered great and it smelled great, and my hair was soft afterwards. It's still soft. Look how soft it is.
Oh my gosh, this is actually a lot more than I thought it was going to be. I could run my fingers through my hair, not just the conditioner, but with the shampoo.
Every time I use it, it feels a little bit better.
My hair feels silky, smooth, it smells great.
My hair feels incredible. My whole family says they're sick and tired of me saying, I love the way my hair feels. I want to touch my hair. It feels great. I love the way my hair feels.